Hi guys, it's me Migan. Today I'm going to teach you how to sneeze. First lesson guys, did you know who's the best place to sneeze? And your elbow. Is that my therapy?
Yeah.
Hi therapy!
Yeah, that's your therapy center. After it, you will be back there. 24 pa, no? Okay, game.
Hi guys, it's me Migan. Today I'm going to teach you how to sneeze. First lesson guys, did you know who's the best place to sneeze? And your elbow.
Okay.
If you if you sneeze in your hands, you can spread virus, and whatever you touch, you can spread virus on the look.
Okay. So, what is the best way to sneeze?
And your elbow. Don't always forget that. Let's talk about planets now.
Okay.
Now together.
Okay, what are the different
Hi guys,
of
it's
planet?
me Migan. Today I'm going to teach you about the little system we have on the planet,
solar system?
on the space.
Yep.
Today guys, did you know the height is planet is Mars? Okay,
What is the red planet?
it's Mars.
Okay.
Guys,
Tell us the different kind of planet.
Okay,
It's dim. Okay. What are the
hi
different...
guys.
Sige na, dali.
Hi guys, today I'm going to teach you about the solar system.
Okay.
First, Earth. Did you know Earth has life? And this planet really live on, it's Earth. The other planets is so not livers.
Okay. What are the types of planet? The kinds of planet?
Jupiter, Mars, Neptune, Uranus, and Mom, what's your favorite planet? Pluto, Mercury, Venus, Mars,
Meron pa. Ano yan? Saturn.
Saturn.
What is the largest planet?
Can you give me a hint?
What is the largest planet?
Can you give me a hint?
No hint.
Jupiter.
Yeah, and what's the lava? What is lava?
Lava is a fire on the volcanoes. Guys, if you see lava on your house, you must climb in your house, your cabinets, or your room.
Why? What is in lava? Why they need to climb in their house, or they will go away from the lava? What is in lava?
Because it's so hot, Mom.
It's so hot. Okay.
Because it will burn your feet and your whole body.
It will burn your whole body. Oh my jeez.
You must hide from the lava. You must climb. You must climb in kitchen cabinets or beds or in your closet or hide on your closet.
Okay, but I have a question. Why are we going to sneeze on our elbow?
Because elbows, Mom, I will teach you about. First question. Will we sneeze in our hands to protect our drinks?
Okay. So we will sneeze on the elbow to protect us from touching our where? Face?
No,
Because if we will touch our face, what will happen?
he can the virus on your hands can enter your body, and how you get sick.
Oh my God. Okay. So We have to remember that one always, that we have to sneeze on our...
Mom, I got first question.
Mm.
Mom, where is the best to sneeze? Is it A on your hands? Is it B on your elbow? Or is it C on your hands?
On my elbow.
Good job. Good job. That's perfect.
Next question.
How we get sick?
I don't know. How are we going to get... How we get sick? Dali.
Agad maray. If you touch your hands or body, virus can enter our body. That's why we get sick.
Okay.
First question. How we get sick?
When we touch our body
And
face
face and hands
and hands,
and
the virus will...
enter our body.
Very good.
First question.
Mm.
Second question. Where is the best to... Okay, first question. You must go to the hospital or not on number A. You must go into the hospital or not. You must sneeze in your elbow or watching TV all day.
Watch. Huh?
E-
I will go to the hospital.
Good job, that's correct.
Next question.
Next question. Where's the best to sleep in? Where's the best to sleep in when you're sick?
I don't know. What's the question? What's the hint? That's the clue.
And the hospital bed.
Hospital bed.
Next
How
question.
to? Okay.
Where is the best to care rocket? It inom sang gamot or watching TV all day?
Inom sa gamot.
That's correct. First question. Second question.
Mm.
Second question.
Mm.
Second
Coba
question.
deh, Mau.
Second question.
Mm.
Where is the best to care you're sick? By watching TV or by resting all day?
Resting.
Good job, that's correct.
Mm.
Number 2.
Mm.
Where's the best to care your mother?
Know where to sneeze?
In elbow.
Why?
Because you can spread virus whatever you touch.
When you sneeze on your hands.
Yeah.
Why you will not sneeze on the hand?
Because you can spread germs when you touch.
Okay.
Can I
And then what to do with the hands?
wash with them with soap and water?
Okay.
Can I ask you a question now?
Okay.
First question. Where's the best to sneeze?
Elbow.
No, I'm not.
Okay. Again.
I'm not ready yet.
Okay.
Okay, ang gito talaga. First question. Where's the best to sneeze in your elbow? On your hands? Where's the best to sneeze in your body?
Mm.
On your elbow?
A.
A. On your hands? B. Or on your head? That's you.
How you will sneeze on your head? Elbow.
Good job. That's perfect. That's perfect, Mom. That's perfect.
Next.
Let's tell about the
Question number 2.
question number 2. Where's the best to sleep in the hospital? The hospital bed or the hospital counter?
Huh? Hospital?
Counter.
Of course, in the hospital bed, how you will sleep in the counter?
Good job, that's good.
Why you will not sneeze on your hands?
Because you... Achoo. Achoo.
And then,
Because you can spread germs. Whenever you touch, you can spread the germs around or ever touch.
okay.
And
And then what you will do with your hands?
washing them with soap and water.
Okay.
Can I ask you a question now?
Okay.
Question number 6.
Mm.
Where's the best to sleep in the hospital? The hospital counter or the hospital bed?
Hospital bed, of course.
Good job, that's correct! In the hospital bed. You
Okay, I
sleep.
have a question. When you are sick, what you are going to do first? When you are sick, what you are going to do first?
Then come out and water.
And,
And always for our rats.
huh?
And always questions.
Pray.
Pray.
And then,
Can I ask you a question now? Number 6.
7 na. Tapos na ang 6.
7. 7. But what's the best to drink if you are sick?
What?
What's the best to drink if you are sick?
What? What's the clue?
Is it A, gamot with water? Is it B, sweets? Is it
See?
C, watching TV?
Watching TV?
You have to guess the right answer.
Gamot with water.
Good job, that's perfect. That's right. Okay, number 10. What's the best to carry your sick? Ma'am. Number 10. How we get sick? Because of watching TV? Or because virus can enter our body?
Both. Too much watching TV will make you sick also, my friend.
No.
Really?
No.
Yeah, it will make you sick. It will give a problem with your eyes. Yeah. Do you think?
On your head, not on your eyes.
When you are watching TV all the time, your eyes will be damaged. So, both will make you sick. The virus and the too much watching TV. Okay?
Not that. Not that. It was A. Viruses can enter our body.
Okay. When virus can enter our body, we will become sick.
Number 10. What's the best to sleep in? The kitchen cabinet on your bed?
Bed, of course.
Good job. Where's the best?
Say bye.
Oh, I forgot the second question.
What?
Where's the best to eat your six? Vegetables or sweets?
What do you think?
A, is it vegetables? Or B, is it sweets?
O ano? Sagutin mo.
The answer is A, vegetables.
And then, are you eating vegetables? You're crying, Evan, when Daddy will feed you vegetables.
I only want a bowl.
You want only sabaw?
It's healthy.
Okay. So, no more sweets.
Okay.
Okay?
God, Lord.
Agay ko. Okay, bye.
Bye, guys.
Hope you learned something.